Hi, baby. Look, you're squirming.
I know it.
Oh, look.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Mm.
That's this cute baby smiling at us and talking to us.
She sure is.
She's a cute baby, too.
Hi, come talk to her over here, Aubrey, my mommy. So she can see you.
Let me sit on your lap.
Okay.
Oh, no, she fusses. Look, you just smiled.
Yeah, give her love.
Oh.
Mm. Mm. Oh.
Hi, baby.
Boo.
Boo. When I did that, her closed her eyes.
Yeah, she did.
Oh,
Oh.
no, what's fusses?
I think she's talking to us.
Look at that big smile.
That's so cute. Huh.
Wow, look at that one.
Yeah.
That's yesterday.
No, this is today. We're recording it right now. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Okay.
What?
Give her less, and then we'll turn it off.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.